I feel like most people, you have embraced cloud storage, using services like Apple's iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, and of course Microsoft OneDrive. But once that free storage is over, they want you to pay. And I don't like paying for anything that I get for free already. So today we're going to show you BYOC. Build your own cloud, so you don't have to pay any of those extra fees. And we got 3 devices that can do just that, and we'll help you figure out which one is right for you. Let's start over here. This is the Transporter Sync made by Connected Data. These are the folks that make the Drobo that a lot of film professionals use to store a lot of HD content. But this is a consumer-friendly version. Let me show you how it works. This little device is the Transporter Sync. If I turn it around over here, you're going to see there's an Ethernet port. This is what you connect your router to. Right over here, and you see there's a label, it says read and remove. If I just peel this back, you're going to see a USB port. This is where you hook up your external hard drive to. It can be any size that you have at home, but the important thing, and this is why there's a label here, is as soon as you hook it up and set it up, everything on that drive is going to be erased. It's basically going to format it. So you want to make sure that the data that's on here is not what you need before you get started, or you transfer it somewhere else. But once you get this up and running, and it'll take a couple of minutes and you use some apps, basically what happens is you're creating your own Dropbox, basically. What you get is automatic sync, and that's something that Dropbox does really well. Unlike Dropbox, there's no fees. You get it set up and you don't pay any more. It's 100% private, and that's because you're using your own hard drive, your own Wi-Fi network to have this. So it's not on some server up in Timbuktu. It also has access everywhere. So as long as you have internet connection, you're going to be able to access the files that you have stored at home. Almost like creating your own Netflix. Imagine streaming video directly from your home to your device wherever you are that you have internet connection. It's always protected because it's being synced all the time. So you're going to get the protection that it comes inherent with it. And of course, you get unlimited sharing. You can share this content with families, friends, coworkers, you name it. Another solution, very similar like the Transporter Sync, is the Tornado Plug. This is very, very similar, except it's a low power energy saving device. It's very, very small, has the same type of connections. You have your Ethernet port and of course your USB port, except this is a low power one, and if you are into trying to save energy at home, this is a great solution for you. Has the same type of flexibility and convenience that you would get with the Transporter Sync. But let's get to the big daddy over here. This is the Thesis N2560. It's what's called a NAS, a Network Attached Storage, and it means exactly like it is. It's storage that attaches to your network. Now, if I just open this up right over here, unlike these two, which takes USB port hard drives, this one actually uses internal disks. So I can just pop one out right here. And if you have an old PC and you have these old hard drives sitting around, it's a perfect use to bring them back to life. So you put this in, you get it set up, and you're going to have that same flexibility, the ability to stream music from afar, videos, basically trying to create your own Netflix, pictures, you name it. So imagine you have family photos that you want to share to the grandparents with this, and if you hook them up with their devices, can do that. So if you don't want to pay for cloud storage on services like Dropbox, you can build your own cloud with the right devices. And of course, always go to our website to learn more about how to set up your own cloud. GetConnectedMedia.com.